Hello everyone, welcome to Delicia at Home. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Delicia and I extend a very special welcome to you. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back friends. You already know how much I appreciate you. Thank you so much for stopping by for another video today. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm participating in an open collaboration with some lovely women here on YouTube who love home decor just like you and I do. We are to style any room in our homes with blue and white Chinoiserie porcelain pieces. But before I start the video out, I want to give a special thank you to the host and co-host of today's collaboration. Starting with the host, Glamour Ellen and Danielle the Domestic Scientist, and a list of co-hosts starting with Life on Greenwood with Karen 1310, N of Renters Love Luxury by N, B of Elegant Designs by B, Dee of DD Mom Boss, Gigi Faison for the Love of Home Decor, Chanel of Inspired by Chanel, Joy Candy, Felicia of the Rogers House, The Glamorous Fern, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, and Mike and Belle's Life. All of the ladies' YouTube channels are listed in my description box below, so after you've watched this video, please go on over and give them a visit as well. You may have guessed that I am styling my table today, and we're starting out with this table runner that was purchased from Marshall's for $9. It's either linen or linen-like. Unfortunately, my camera's not really giving off the texture or showing you guys the texture the way I would like for you to see it, but I really love this table runner. So we're going to go ahead and lay this down before we get everything else laid out on the table. Here she is, guys. This is my first and my only Chinoiserie piece so far. I've just recently started my collection. I purchased this ginger jar from the Old Time Pottery for about $34.99. Actually, the price tag is on the bottom to show you guys that that's how much I paid for it. It did come with the lid, and I will show you the lid later. I'm deciding if I should style this table with or without. I think that I will show you both ways, and you guys can let me know which one you like the best. Happy. So we're going to style this ginger jar with these hydrangeas. They're all purchased from Michael's. They're a mixture of old ones and new ones. The newer ones are the lavender ones and the older ones are the white ones. I've already bent the stems on them to the height that I want to style this ginger jar. So let's go ahead and get started. If you find anything helpful or enjoyable in today's video, please let me know down in the comments below. Here on the channel, I love to share home decor inspiration videos, and that includes styling my coffee bar. I also love to share DIYs as well as fun food and drink videos. If you love that type of content, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you as a friend here on the channel. This setting will be a very casual setting for 4, so we're starting with these very familiar placemats that I purchased from Bed Bath & Beyond for $1.99 without the coupon. These charger plates are also $1.99 and they were purchased from the Hobby Lobby. These blue melamine plates are from Target and they're about $3. I'm using these plates for desserts, and unfortunately I can't remember where I got them. I've had them for many years, but I try to zoom in so that you guys can see who made it. I think it's Dior and it was made in China. These dinner napkins are from Target and the napkin rings are a DIY. If you would like to know how I made these, I will be sharing that on Instagram at Delicia at Home on May 17th, 2021. These candle holders are another DIY that I made with Dollar Tree items. The actual holder is a vase from the Dollar Tree, and the bottom, the stand, is a small candle holder. I glued those together with E6000 glue. You can either leave it as is or paint it in your favorite color. If these candlestick holders look familiar, take a look at the candle holders next to them. These are also from the Dollar Tree. The gold flatware is from Amazon and it is linked in the description below for you if you're interested. Here's a view of the ginger jar lid as a part of the centerpiece. Which style do you prefer the best? I hope you have room for dessert. Today we're having blueberry cheesecake. Once again, I want to thank all of you for stopping by and watching today. And again, I want to thank all of the hosts and co-hosts of this collaboration. Don't forget to visit them. They're all linked in the description below. And if you want even more inspiration, don't forget to click on that hashtag above the title of this video. And remember, guys, don't let anyone or anything steal your joy today. Make it amazing. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.